Second English trick that makes you sound more executive. Want to know why some international executives sound more authoritative in meetings? They use what I call the power pause. Notice the difference. If it's rushed, yes, we can do that, I think it will work, versus, in a more measured way, yes, pause. We can do that, pause. Based on our analysis, it will work. And this tiny pause gives you three things: time to think, natural authority, perfect pronunciation. So if any of this resonates with you, comment, like, subscribe, and share with a colleague.